Well, here she is, finally. My next deal. Finally landed a nice home. The market has been super hot. And here we are, almost a year later. You can see the pink is long gone. There's some big changes to the property. And in this video, I'm gonna show you, as I walk through what the house was, I'm gonna cut to the new scenes and show you what it is now. It's a pretty big change. It's been really hard to find a good deal, but I just picked up this 4-bed, 2-bath home. Needs quite a bit of work. It's a nice structure, but it's outdated, as you can see by the pink siding. But you know, when you see pink, you see green. And it's no longer pink. I painted it blue. The brick down there is gray. But I've been seeing a lot of new homes going up around the area that are blue, so I thought I'd give it a try. I think it turned out great. Let's go inside. All right. This house was built about 1970. Whoa, is this the same house? And in that tradition, they are always very dark. As you can see, only 3 little can lights there in the ceiling. I think you can turn them on here and they don't do a whole lot. Yeah, one's out and it's like, might as well not even turn them on. I usually like to add a nice fan right here in the middle of the room with a big light on it. Maybe something like this. Of course, it'd be a bit better when I get all these windows opened up. It has 3 really big windows, so that's nice. Yeah, that brightens up the room. Paneling on one wall. I probably need to drywall that now. But otherwise, I mean, the home's in good shape. It's just very dirty, outdated. I mean, wait a minute, this can't be the same house. Just miles of carpet. This is probably the worst area. Just filthy. As you can see, it's going to be a job getting that out. Here's the kitchen. Again, just dirty and outdated. Just a well-used home. You know, not necessarily beat up, just old. Missing some cabinet doors, but I'm going to be ripping everything out here. Which one do you like better, before or after? I mean, there's really nothing that can be used, even these soffits up here. I need to take all those out. I mean, it's a hassle to do the drywall, but it's kind of just got to be done. But I'm thinking about seeing if I can just knock this wall completely out. Yeah, that was a great idea. It does have a vent up here, so I'll have to check into that. But I'd like to just knock out this wall. That way it's really open to the living room. You can see the TV, and you know, with the fireplace in the middle of the home, you really need to open this up a bit more. Here's the garage. Nice 2-car, good, plenty of room. I'll probably tear this closet out. This old tore-up door, it leads out to a large deck on the back. I'll probably just cap that off with a wall. The deck doesn't need to be that big. The deck on the back of this place needs to be all completely torn down and redone. That's going to be one of the bigger projects. I'm on it. But it's like 40 feet long. I'm definitely not rebuilding the entire 40 feet. Let's step out here. I actually don't even walk on the deck. You can see it's in pretty poor shape. I don't walk out on it. But one of the biggest adventures is that guy right there. Yeah. A giant in-ground swimming pool. So that will be quite a beast to tackle. I've never had one. If it's done and working, I'm sure it'd be nice, but getting it there is going to be a lot of work and money. Maybe it can just be a giant koi pond. But we'll take a quick look at the bedrooms. There's the basement. It's not in too bad a shape. It'll be last though. I need to make the house livable first. But it's a 4-bedroom home. So this is the only one that has paneling. So in here I'm going to try to just paint it. Maybe like a nice gray color with white trim. I'm just going to replace all these doors. I mean, you can see the beautiful green carpet. It just amazing. I think I'll be replacing that as soon as possible. Here's the new carpet, and painting the paneling turned out great. But here you can get a little better view of the backyard. I mean, that pool is, you can imagine what it was when it was brand new. That's quite a nice setup. A slide and even a diving board on the other end. And then both bathrooms are just huge. I mean, whoa, what happened here? Oh, this is after demo. Even just this main bathroom here, 2 vanities. Yeah, that's better. This is just, I gotta just rip out all this. I mean, it's even, I guess they were gonna start building a fireplace right here, but instead just built the end of the shower. I actually just painted the brick and glazed the tub, and it looks awesome. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of brick to tear out, but I might have to do it. I don't know what else to do with it. It has all this lattice work enclosing it. I'll be ripping that out. This prehistoric toilet, I don't know how this could even be used. Look how small it is, like a 5-year-old could fit on that thing. Speaking of 5, they flush about 5 gallons of water every time. A lot of people don't realize those are just $100 brand new at Lowe's. They barely flush like 1 1/4 gallons, chair height, elongated bowl. So much better to update in any home. Little hallway closet here. This bedroom's been updated. It's got, I guess, a cheaper type of, flooring, but this is one of the cleaner rooms in the house. Fresh paint and new carpet. I hope to update these windows sometime. These are quite outdated. Shoot, they're like 5 feet long, 1.5 feet high. I'll probably end up just doing like the 30 by 60 windows in here and just completely changing the look of the house. But this room needs very little work, unlike the rest of the house. This one isn't too bad down here. Carpeting, of course, needs to be ripped out, but at least it has decent paint. Probably just to change the color and go over it once. Fresh paint and new carpet goes a long ways. Some of these windows, I don't know what happened to this guy. He's fogged up or got something. Obviously, that'll have to be changed out, and probably change out this window similar to the other one. But the master bedroom, the green monster. Check out this dude. Wow. Yes, there is some green in here. Green carpet, green walls, green wallpaper, green ceiling. I don't know. It took 10 gallons of paint to cover all the green. I'm sure it looked good when it was brand new. Heck, even some green curtains. As you can see, it's just a monster of a room. Here it is, looking slightly different. 2 closets right there. And a large, almost like a walk-in type closet. You can see a fogged up, broken mirror there. I fixed the mirror and hung some curtains here. It's even a vanity here with running water. So I think I'm going to have to transform this into something a little more practical. Now in here is another gigantic bathroom. As you can see, a little bit more modern toilet, nothing great. A little hole in the wall for a shower. I don't even know if an average person can get in there. The skylight does give some nice lighting in here. Again, a giant vanity, a gigantic mirror. It must be 5 feet tall and 8 feet long. And then a nice jutted tub. I think all this would be ripped out of here though. I'm kind of thinking make this a smaller, more practical size. Do like a nice 5-foot tile shower down here, maybe a double vanity here. And then walling this off to do a washer and dryer accessible from the hallway on the other side. I think that would be much more practical. But that's about all we got for now. I tell you, I'm going to get started on this. There's going to be a lot of demo, so I'm going to start just ripping things out, smashing stuff up, throw it out in the garage for now and get a dumpster here in a little while. But that's it for this one, and maybe the next episode we'll do some demo, check out the basement and backyard further. But it's a good place to start. It's going to be awesome.